Hello everyone, welcome to another video series of Mind Pro. In the previous video, I talked about how to develop the techniques in yourselves to become a good public speaker, like organizing your text, looking into the eye of the audience, putting on an act, and choosing a good topic. These were all one part of the process you needed, and the other one is saying them out in the right way. Of course, one of them is the voice techniques, but the other one is having a good voice. In this video, we will go over some tips on how to take care of your voice. 1. Drink a lot of water. Water to the throat is just like oil to the engine of the car. In order for your engine to run smoothly, you have to take care of its oil. The same thing is true about voice too. Your vocal cords need to be wet so that they can move properly and produce a high-quality sound. So don't forget to drink a lot of water. 2. Exercise your neck. Speaking is just like any other physical activities we do in a sport. Before running or playing soccer, you need to warm up your muscles, otherwise you will hurt them. The same is true about vocal cords and neck muscles. These muscles cannot be seen as clearly as your arm muscles, but they are exactly like them, so they need exercising. Just put the tips of your fingers on the sides of your neck and rub your neck. Do this for a while, and then tilt your neck to the right, hold it like this for a few seconds, and then tilt it to the other side and hold it there too. This is necessary for you to have a good voice. Do this regularly every day because it will keep your voice smooth. 3. Don't speak low or loud. As I said in the previous video, your voice is very important here because you are entertaining your audience. Therefore, it must not be ear-splitting or grating. This is the problem which I had too. I would speak with a very low voice with my friends, and this ended up hurting my vocal cords. I had a very low voice, and after training, I got it better. Screaming or shouting is also bad, so don't do that either. 4. Breathe from stomach. One of the important elements which improves the quality of your voice is breathing correctly. Most of us breathe from our chest, which is not right. The true way of breathing is from the stomach. These are all of the voice exercises you need to do, and don't forget, they need practice. In addition to a good voice, you have to know the very popular topic of voice technique, for which there are lots of classes to attend to master this skill. So stand by and wait for our next video about voice technique.